Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your work in using presentation arcade. You can combine case letters for a better solution. For example,
combination number 1 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus T just to display the Windows taskbar. Combination number 2 on the keyboard. Press Shift plus F9 to toggle the display of the grid. Combination number 3 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift plus G. By pressing this, you may group the selected objects. Combination number 4 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift plus H. You might ungroup selected group. Combination number 5 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus spacebar to reset the formatting of the current paragraph or section. Combination number 6 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus N. You may open a new window. Combination number 7 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the selected object on the slide. Combination number 8 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus V. You can face the clipboard items. Combination number 9 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo the last action. Combination number 10 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Y to redo the last action by pressing it. Combination number 11 on the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus C to copy items into clipboard. Combination number 12 on the keyboard. Press Shift plus F5. It will start a slideshow from the current slide. Hold on, wait a minute. I hope not all of my audience are Windows users. Let me see your hands, Mac users, if you are right on the channel. Wow, you are so many. Let me continue with your shortcut keys right by now. Combination number 13 on the keyboard. Press Command plus letter V if you want to print out your presentation. Combination number 14 on the keyboard. Press Command plus letter O. You might open existing file. Combination number 15 on the keyboard. Press Command plus letter S to save the presentation. Combination number 16 on the keyboard. Press Command plus letter W. This combination will close the presentation. Combination number 17 on the keyboard. Press Option plus Return to view your presentation. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will continue the description of the shortcut keys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching.